to push that hard.
Oh, sorry. We'll go gentle on you next time. Yeah, Jonathan. What they said, we'll go easy on you next time. If it even is us next time. Alright, Nigel, alright. Calm down, calm down. Yeah, we gotta get them up the hill, or else they'll be late, and there'll be consequences.
Alright, help me up the hill so I don't have to talk to you. You didn't do a good job.
Bloody hell. I've got an idea. Alright, let's get back to the yards. Alright, I don't think I see my crew. What about you? Nah, I don't see them either. Good. Then Nigel, this is what we'll do.
What will you lads be doing?
Oh, great.
What are you lads up to? Oh, wait, let me guess. You two are gonna show Jonathan some manners. Oh, that isn't a good idea.
Ugh. Alright, Isaac. Go away so Nigel and I can discuss our plan in peace. Wait, how did you know about the plan with Jonathan?
I was nearby and decided to pop in. And if you're wondering, no, my crew were in the station. But it would be better if they were here, so then they could talk to your lads when they come back.